Hello class, today I'm going to be walking you through how to edit a picture via PicMonkey. So first you're going to open your computer and open your internet browser. Once that is open, you'll type in PicMonkey in the search bar at the top of the web page. Once the web page has loaded, you will look onto the web page and click the option Edit a Photo, and it will take you to what you see right here. So I'm going to press Create New. And this is where you will drag the picture that you wish to edit into this dotted blue line box section. Once your picture has loaded, you have all of these edits on the left side, so you can crop your picture to how you would like it to look. And once you've done that, you just come over here and click Apply. Then you can do some resizing, some background color, whatever color you like. And then if you look even farther to the left, you can do some different effects and edits on your photos. You can add text, you can put frames around it, and all sorts of things like that. Once you are ready to save your picture, you can, once you have the free trial and once you're ready to save your photo, you'll just click Export and start a free trial, and then you'll go through all of those options and you'll be able to save your photo. Thanks for watching!